I'm gonna be honest with you. When I started this vlog, I had nails, and then I changed my nails, and then those nails fell off, and I changed them again, and they fell off. My house is quiet, the kids aren't home, I got everything laid at my feet, so you guys are gonna get what I can give you, and we just gonna make the best of it, okay? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am heading out to run a few errands, but I am prepping for us to go on vacation. I'm so excited. We are getting ready to go to the beach. It is one of our favorite family things to do, and the school year has almost ended, so we have about a month left, but I'm in the process of looking for some things just to get prepared. I'm just such a planner. I love to make sure that we have every single thing that we need before we go anywhere. My problem is that I don't give myself enough time sometimes because I'm always ripping and running. So I was like, this year, what I'm gonna do is we are not just gonna throw stuff in a bag and just go. I'm gonna take my time, and I'm actually going to go to a few places, pick some things up so that we can just actually enjoy our vacation. So I'll let you know what I find along the way. Look at these. I love these. I have to get these. I have to get these. And they're $10. They're $10. Look how cute these are. Oh, these are so cute. These are perfect for the beach, perfect for little outfits. Just, my girls love jellies anyway. Okay, we have to add these into the cart. Let's try to find, I love these right here. These are super cute. These are not my daughter's size. These are way too big, but I think I'm gonna find the ones that are her size. But look how cute these are. I really wish, Target, I really wish you guys would start making stuff in our size because we grown-ups like this stuff too. Yep, these are it. Somebody done tried them all. Okay, now let's go over to grab some sunscreen. This is the sunscreen you want to get for your kids, right here, okay? But you want to get the spray. This spray is so good. We already have a ton of these tubes. These tubes are really, really good too, but I love this company so much, but this is what you want to get. You want to get the spray so they can literally just spray and play. There's no white cast, especially because if you're dark skinned like I am, you do not want any white cast on your kids. You don't want white cast on you. So this is good for, you know, regular adults if this is what you're getting. But this is what you want to get for your kids. Like, I highly, 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 highly recommend it. It's the best for the beach. All right, let's get to it. It has taken me weeks to get things ordered, get things in, get things purchased, gather stuff, get more stuff, hide stuff, to finally get this vlog, what is this? Get this vlog together so that I can show you the things that we got to prepare for our trip. I'm gonna be honest with you. When I started this vlog, I had nails, and then I changed my nails, and then those nails fell off and I changed them again and they fell off. So you guys are just gonna get what I can give you at this point in time. My house is quiet, the kids aren't home, I got everything laid at my feet. So you guys are gonna get what I can give you, and we just gonna make the best of it, okay? Your girl cannot hide this stuff in cars and closets anymore. I need to film this vlog. I need to get this out. So here we go. First things first, what are we gonna put all this stuff in? So the girls have had these Disney suitcases for the last couple of years, and I think the last trip we went on to Pensacola, pretty much any trip that we take out of town, that's what they use. The girls are just getting so tall, they're getting big, so I just decided to go ahead and get them their own big girl suitcases. So Liana's favorite color is purple, so I got her this one, and Layla's favorite color is pink. So I got her this one. It was like kind of the best that I could do. These are super duper cute. They are carry-on airline size category. So if we ever wanted to just take them on a flight, these are easy carry-ons that they could take. It says like 1 to 3 days average packing capacity. We're only gonna be gone for that amount of days, but Mama knows how to pack, so we might pack some extra stuff in there. But these are the kids hard side spinner suitcases, and both of these are from Target. As you can see, like, they're pretty lightweight, pretty easy. They're strong enough at 5 and 8 to be able to roll these, so I don't have to worry about, oh my gosh, these are just too heavy for them. I mean, they're big girls now, so they need suitcases that are their size. Auntie Tab just came out with a new line of summer stuff from her line, and I did get 2 of the beach balls. These are so cute, and they're only $10. I got 2 beach balls that we can take and inflate them once we get there, but I got these from Target, so thank you, Auntie Tab. Need toys, all the things. So we got bubbles. I love these. They're like $1, and they're super cheap. I love the little patterns on them. Super cute, right? I did get beach towels. Beach towels are just really expensive. Is it just me? Whatever. I like the fact that these are pretty small, but they're perfect for my girls to just have at the beach to play on with their dolls. So these were like $5 each, and I got these at the Target dollar spot. Can you see that? But look how adorable these patterns are, and I didn't even realize that they match the bubbles. As you saw at the store, we have our sunscreen. Again, I do have the tube that you can actually rub on, and it does really, really well. I just find that, like, whenever the kids get to a beach or a pool, they're ready to play. They don't want you to stop and rub it in and make sure, like, literally spray. You can rub it in a little bit, but it goes on so well, and then they can go play. And of course, it's easy to reapply if you need to reapply after so much time. Let's see, water resistance for 80 minutes. And of course it's reef friendly, no parabens, no fragrance, you know, because if you know me, I do not like all of the things, the chemicals, all the extracurriculars that don't need to be in things to harm our skin. So Black Girl Sunscreen, check out the kids Spray and Play, love, love, love. And of course, with my melanated skin, I love that it does not give a white cast. So very important. We got new bathing suits. How cute is this? So this adds to the 97 other bathing suits that they have, but we needed some new ones. So we got new bathing suits. Of course, we got pool slides because that's the thing. So Liana picked out these pool slides, and these are just the cutest. I actually found these on Amazon, so I can also link that as well below for you. But super cheap, super cute from Amazon. These are actually at Target, so these are slides as well. I don't know if you guys can see that, but these are actually pool slides for Layla. We saw these jellies at Target. How cute, how cute, how cute. I am obsessed with the ombre for my oldest, and ombre as well. I think you guys saw me put it in the cart at Target. Okay, I got the cutest bags from TJ Maxx. How cute is this? I'm low-key jealous because I kind of want a bag for myself. But anyways, so with my girls, I want to make sure that they are able to have their own experience. So I got them 2 bags. These are so cute. I love with the letters and the different colors, and I've seen a lot of these on Etsy and different companies making them. I think this is so cute. My girls, they love to just bring stuff to the beach. So really, these don't have to be beach bags per se. This could actually be almost like a carry-on, so something that they put all of those little doodads in when they ride in the car, and then the suitcase could be for clothes. But aren't these adorable? We have a little Sunny's bag so that you guys can see it. I couldn't find 2 of them, which is fine. They share a lot of sunglasses, so they can just have a bag specifically for their sunglasses to take to the beach with them, just because it's just kind of a cooler and a nicer way to just keep their sunnies from breaking. I don't think we're gonna necessarily need these for the beach, but whatever. I just got them, they're cute. And if we don't use them for the beach, they're gonna be pool days ahead of us, so we have them. Claw clips. Love these, love these, love these. These were like $5. Absolutely, positively had to get some pool slides. First of all, they never have my size. Shout out to the tall girls who have larger feet. It's really hard to find shoes our size. So when you find them, you buy them. When they're your favorite color, you buy them. For real, like I love this color, and I need all the pool slides that I can when I go on this trip because I don't plan on wearing too many pairs of shoes anyway. So these are great for the beach or the pool or whatever it is that we're doing this summer. Shout out to all the parents who are in preparation to take their children or their child on, or their nephews or nieces or whomever, or if you're just going on a trip with children who have to prepare like this. I know this seems over the top, but for me, I like to make sure that I have a good record, a good count of what it is that we have, what we're doing, what's needed, because there's nothing worse than just throwing stuff in a bag with kids and then realizing you have nothing, and then you have to buy things when you get there. That sounds cute and fun, but when it's beachy stuff, everything's expensive. So these little towels that were $5 will probably be $40, and don't want to do that. So we are all set pretty much for our trip, so we're going to start getting everything prepared. Our girls, I know they're going to be so excited to pack these suitcases. Shout out to everybody who's getting ready for summer break. I hope you guys have an amazing time, and I will hopefully see you guys at the beach.